if you want to take control of your financial future, it all starts with where your money is going. If you have no clue where your money is going, how in the world are you going to be financially free? Now, in this video, I'll be breaking down different money tools that you can use to not only track your money, but become more aware of where your money is going. So stick around, find out just that. So the first one I'll tell you guys, first two I'll tell you guys about is two budgeting apps, is Mint as well as YNAB. What is that? Basically, YNAB is you need a budget. Mint, basically what Mint does is tracks all of your accounts together, put all of your accounts together in one space, and basically you can track not only your net worth, you can do budgeting, and it categorizes what you're spending your money on. What this does, it gives you a visual representation of not only where your money goes, but where you want your money to go next. Same thing with YNAB, you need a budget. It's digital budgeting on an app. Essentially, when you have a digital budgeting app, you're overseeing where your money is going. What can these apps do? Allocate specific funds in specific categories. Number two, it would be spreadsheet trackers. Now, funny enough, Google Sheets and Excel sheets, you can create your own spreadsheets and manually input these daily or weekly. What is it that you're doing? Another thing you could use is Vertex or Triller, I believe. And what this does, basically, you can go in there and you can buy templates for Google Sheets and Google Excel. What are the templates for? Basically, budgeting, customize them. You want to customize them specifically towards your needs. If you're more of a business owner, there are different ones for you specifically. So if you're a business owner, you would use something like QuickBooks or Wave. And what these ones are good for is like accounting services for businesses. Now, with Wave is a little bit more advanced, and I think both of them are equally advanced. But with Wave, you can send invoices, do accounting stuff, just the same as QuickBooks. So just go in and play around and see which one works best for you. QuickBooks and Waves for simple self-employed people as well as business people, specifically smaller businesses. The old school way to do it is literally have cash and envelope, and you allocate funds specifically for what. Basically, you put your money into an envelope and you start allocating money from there on. This is probably your grandma, grandpa, probably your great niece did that. You know what I mean? Back in the day. But it's efficient, it works, it helps with, let's say for instance, you're bad with card or even Apple Pay. I know myself, I'm bad with Apple Pay. Apple Pay money is free to me. I genuinely believe sometimes that the money does not come from me when I use Apple Pay. I don't know, something about that double clicking the button, tapping, you know what I mean? Like, let me know in the comments what y'all think, because I genuinely believe Apple Pay is not my money sometimes. Yes, cash in envelope is efficient, it's effective. Another one you can do is exploring manual journals. Exactly what it sounds like, bro. Pen and paper, book and pen, nighttime. You go through your basically your transactions. You put it down, specific amounts, categorize them, and what this does, it increases your awareness of what it is that you're spending your money on. You probably will become a bit more frugal because you're like, damn, I spent $50 on cigarettes. I'm just playing, bro. Don't hate me. Hate the game. But off sidetrack. I know. I shouldn't be sidetracking. But why do people smoke? Why do people smoke vapes? Genuinely, vaping does not do nothing for you, bro. Don't fight me. Fight in the comments or something, bro. Vaping don't do nothing for you. Go get high, smoke some. I'm not advising anybody to smoke some za. You know what I mean? But do something else that at least you're gonna get high. I'm not promoting crack or nothing like that, bro. But please do something else other than vaping and smoking cigarettes, because that don't do shite. You can use bank and payment tracking apps. Just go and look it up. Bank and payment tracking apps. Basically, what these ones do is basically give you an overhead view of where your money is going, or a long-term view of what you want to do with your money. So the bank and payment apps, you're better off just using budgeting apps anyway. So I don't recommend those, but it's an option. So that's why I'm mentioning it. That's why I'm even mentioning it. So yes, don't hate me, hate the game. Last but definitely not least, setting up alerts. This one's most effective if you want to track your spending, buddy. Bro, I put on this alerts on my banking, and I'm telling you, I borderline hate it. Everything you spend, you get a notification on. You get 2 notifications on sometimes, 3 notifications. But what this does, it annoys you till you don't want to spend money. I promise you, I'm not lying. I promise. If you ever had alerts on your phone, bro, when you're spending money, it's borderline annoying. So once you set them up, you don't have to worry about them, and it just keeps sending you notification every single time. Now, what does setting up notifications, budgeting apps, doing this manually, what is in it for you, really? What is in it for you? First thing first, increase your awareness. 2, your likelihood of achieving your goals and financial freedom and so on, whatever it is that you want, especially when it comes to finances, you are closer to achieving them once you do it. You can literally see the bullshit that you're buying. So you eliminate unnecessary junk out of your spending. Is literally like that. Bonus tip: just don't be emotional with money. Don't be impulsive with money, and just try to don't hoard money. Money is energy. You know what I mean? I don't want to get all spiritual on you, and I know you don't want to hear that bullshit. But money is basically energy. So don't try to hold it and hoard it. Utilize money to create cash flow. Increase your cash flow. Find ways to keep your money and lower your expenses. It's literally that simple, man. If you want financial freedom, hit that subscribe button, man. We going up every day from here, every year from here. Only way to go from here is up. So there's no turning back once you hit that subscribe button. And I will give you updates every single week, every chance I get. And I'll make sure it's something special for you. Also, I know, I'm not trying to finish the video. I know. My bad. Well, go check out my other channels. I do vlogging, and I also give wellness and health and wellness tips as well on my other channels. So I have 2 other channels, including this one. So go check those out. Thank you. Peace out.